Let us discuss mole concept with another different example. Okay. For number of moles of oxygen required for complete combustion combustion of organic compound of any organic compound can be determined by the given equation. Now let us see what is that equation. So this is a general equation which is helpful in determination of number of moles of oxygen required for complete combustion, and other aspects also we can determine from this equation. Okay, let us see the equation. Cx Hy plus x plus y by 4 O2 gives rise to XCO2 plus y by 2 H2O. Here all are gaseous state. Okay, oxygen is gas. The physical state of organic compound based on the value of X. Okay, here it is clear that X is equal to number of moles of carbon. Y is equal to number of moles of hydrogen. Okay. So based on the values of X and Y, the number of moles of carbon dioxide released and number of moles of H2O released and number of moles of oxygen required can be determined. Is it clear? So this is the empirical equation to calculate the number of moles of oxygen required for complete combustion of any organic compound. Is it clear? Let us see one example for this model. Okay. If the question is how many moles of oxygen required for complete combustion of 1 mole ethane. What is the formula of ethane? Sometimes they will give in the problem. C2H6. Okay, 1 mole ethane. Now let us solve this based on the equation we are having. Okay. We know that at the general equation CXHY plus x plus y by 4 O2 gives rise to XCO2 plus y by 2 H2O. This is the general equation. So now let us check the values of x and y in ethane. Okay, x and y in C2H6 are, okay, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 6. Okay, in ethane, number of mole, 1 mole ethane, number of moles of carbon is 2, number of moles of carbon is 2, number of moles of hydrogen is 6. In 1 mole ethane, there are 2 moles of carbon and 6 moles of hydrogen. Okay, so by replacing the values of the x and y from the general equation with 2 and 6, we can get the answer. Let us replace x and y. Okay, here instead of x I am writing 2, being the value of x is equal to 2. Instead of y I am writing 6. Okay, being the value of y is equal to 6 plus 2 plus 6 by 4 O2. Okay, being x is equal to 2, y is equal to 6 gives rise to XCO2. What is the value of x here? 2. 2CO2 plus 6 by 2 H2O, being value of y is equal to 6. Is it clear? Now let us simplify the equation. C2H6 plus, what would be this value? Don't get confusion. 6 by 4 is equal to 1.5. 1.5 plus 2 is equal to 3.5. 3.5 O2 gives rise to 2 CO2 plus 3 H2O. Okay, is it clear? Now let us see how many moles of O2 required for complete combustion of 1 mole ethane. 3.5 moles of O2. 3.5 moles of O2 required for complete combustion of 1 mole ethane. Okay. So another interpretation means 2 moles of CO2 released and 3 moles of H2O released. Is it clear? So let us write the physical states here. CO2 gas, H2O gas, O2 is gas. Okay. And C2H6 also gas, being it is lighter hydrocarbon. Okay. So now what is the answer for this question is 3.5 moles of oxygen required for complete combustion of 1 mole ethane. Okay.